Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be quite different because I'm going to be doing a lip tutorial instead of something quite cartoony. So what you'll need is your HB pencil, darkest pencil you have, a white gel pen if you have one, and a rubber. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is draw the shape. Now it depends what type of lip, if you're drawing like a big or thin lip or pointed or curvy. I'm going to do quite a curvy one. So start out doing that, or more pointed if your lip is more pointed, but draw the top lip, make it come down, then make a curve and join up at the bottom. You might have to use your rubber a lot to make the lip the perfect shape you want it. Then you need to draw so I'm going to make mine quite like smiling like that. So once you're happy with the shape of the lip, you now do shading. So first you can kind of start off by like outlining where the light will hit the lip. So just kind of like make sections where the light would kind of hit. So like corner off these places. And then you can just gently shade the lip. Like that, and you can gently blend it with your finger. And now you can go in with your darker pencil. You can kind of outline the lip again if you want. And go in more darker on the darker parts. And blend in with your finger. Like that. And just kind of keep going till you get the perfect shading you want. And that's perfect and that's how you want it. You can use a white gel pen to make the lighter spaces even more whiter. Like that. And just go touch everything up around the edge and just kind of like rub out where it's kind of like smudged. You have your kind of realistic lip, where you could probably, if you spent a lot more time on it, make it a lot more realistic. But this is just a quick tutorial if you just want to quickly draw a little sketch. So I hope you enjoyed this. Didn't mean to knock that. I'll post again next week with another video. Bye.